Hi, my name is Yaqub Abdulaziz, and I am an affiliate marketer who generates income online with CPA marketing. Before we continue, let me quickly ask you these two questions. Are you looking for a way to make money online? Have you made several attempts to make money online before without not getting the types of results that you have always desired? If you answers yes, then let me say congratulations to you because you're lucky to be on this page today. In this training program, I am going to reveal to you how to make a minimum of $100 to $500 per day with CPA marketing without having to sell anything online. I said $100 because that is the minimum amount of money my students and I are making every single day. And the amazing part is that we don't even have to sell anything online to make this money. All we do is to generate target leads for our partners' companies, and we get paid from $1 to $100 for each lead that we generate. Another good part about this program is that you don't even have to be a technical person to do this. All you need is your smartphone or computer with good internet connection and with as low as $5 to dive into the world of CPA marketing. If you have tried to make money online with CPA marketing before and failed, this is the right training you need to start generating a guaranteed $100 to $500 per day from the comfort of your home. All you need to do right now is to join my simple copy and paste training program and start getting results starting from today. It's never easier than this to make money online. In fact, they have never been anything like this before in Africa. Imagine you copy and paste my simple system and sleep in the night, then wake up in the morning and see hundreds and thousands of dollars in your bank account. Isn't this an opportunity for you to live your dream life, travel around the world, and enjoy the life that you've always desired? You can actualize this dream by taking the necessary action today by becoming a student of CPA Secret Code Training Program. CPA Secret Code Training Program is over-the-shoulder training course that will show you my exact CPA marketing traffic system, which will help you set up a high ROI. It is my proven reliable business model which enabled me to make money on a daily basis from CPA marketing. It is cost-effective and highly efficient. In case you don't believe me, scroll down below and see the proof of my latest results, and also my students' testimonials with their own results, who replicated my method and secrets shared in the CPA Secret Code Training Program. I am not promising you $10,000 a month, but I am giving you a 100% guarantee that these methods has proven to work, and that my students and I are using it to make nothing less than $100 per day. I am confident that if you learn and implement the formula revealed inside the CPA Secret Code Training Program, nothing will stop you from getting the same results like my students and I are getting. Click on the button below to get instant access to the CPA Secret Code Training Program and start making extra income in your pajamas time. If you wait too long, you may miss out this opportunity. So far, we had recorded a high rate of success story from this training program. It is better you join now before it is too late. Click on the button below to join the training and follow the instructions on the next page to access the CPA Secret Code Training Portal. See you on the other side.
Hello, you're welcome to this video. My name is Yaqub Abdulaziz, and in this video I'm going to show you how I make from $100 to $500 from the comfort of my home by promoting other people's business and services online. So here I'm going to log into one of my CPA account to show you how this money is made and how you can copy and paste my unique strategy and get the same result. So this platform right here that I'm going to log into is called a Flex Offer. Flex Offer is a CPA network that anybody from any part of the world can log and create account with them and help them to advertise their products and services and make a lot of money from it. So let me log in to one of my account to show you how I make money from with this platform. So I am going to log in here as a publisher that I am on this platform. So let me click on login now. So here is one of my accounts. Let me log in to show you how much I've earned so far from this platform. Boom, here we are. So we are inside of my account right now. As you can see here, you can see my approved commission here. You can see, let me show you, the first thing I want to show you here is my name. This is not a screenshot, this is not a snapshot, this is not anything related to that. This is me, Yakub Abdulaziz, as you can see. So here is what I've earned so far on this platform. I've earned, as you can see here, this is about $1,079 here, as you can see, and is an approved commissions. So here, as you can see here, I have a pending commissions of $44 US, so a total of $1,123 US, as you can see. So let me go click on this report to show you how this money were made. So as you can see here, let me show you this year, right? This year. So you can see here, this is about, okay, approved commission here is $1,069. You can see everything here. This is not a screenshot. Let me refresh the page again so you can see everything clearly. Oh, let me filter it again so you can see everything clearly. So you can see. So guys, that is how I make money online with CPA marketing. And if you are one of those that have been procrastinating to join the CPA Secret Code training program, this is the right time for you to join to learn how to make a lot of money by helping other business owners to advertise their products and services and make your life comfortable financially. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I look forward to receive you as a student to teach you how I am able to generate this kind of money and live the life that I've always dreamed of. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.
Welcome to this video. My name is Yakub Abdulaziz, and before I talk further, I would like to ask you this simple question. Are you looking for a way to make money online? Like, have you tried everything you could to make money online, but all your effort proved abortive? If you say yes, then let me say congratulations to you, because here I am going to teach you how you can make from $100 to $500 every day by helping other business owners to promote their products and services to their potential customers. So, before I continue, I would like to log into one of my accounts to show you how much I have made so far. Okay, so let me log into my account here. Let me refresh this page so you can see clearly. This is one of my accounts here, as you can see, and then let me sign in here to show you my dashboard. So as you can see here on my dashboard here, I have my available balance here is $845 US. You can see this one will be paid to me in the next few days, as you can see. And then I have upcoming balance here. My upcoming balance here is $4,550 US, as you can see, which is coming into my bank account. So let me refresh the page again so you can see it very well that this is live. And as you can see here, this is mining, as you can see, about 845 balance US dollars balance here, and then 4,550. This one is not approved yet, as you can see. Okay, so let me also log into another platform that I work with. So the platform is called Store 24. Yeah, this is my account. So as you can see here on this platform, I just started promoting offers on this platform. As you can see, I've made about $312 on this platform. Okay, let me refresh the page again. And as you can see here, this is Abdul, right? This is Abdul, my username here. Then you can see $312 US. Okay, so and then another platform called the Flex Offers. As you can see here, let me refresh my page. This is live. Okay, this is live account. As you can see, I've only made $96 here, and that is because I only concentrate on this platform called Impact. So I promote a lot of products on this platform. That is why I'm making this kind of money. So what I have done is that I have put together a simple to follow training program to teach anyone who is looking for a way to generate income online. So this training is going to teach you how you can make from $100 to $500 every day from the comfort of your home by promoting other people's products. So if you are interested in this training, just go ahead and join the training. Then I will teach you everything you need to know, how you can get started, every other thing you need to know, how to run adverts on Facebook, how to run adverts on Google, how to run adverts on Link app and make money like this one. Imagine you make $845 like this one, like the one you're seeing here right now, or even $4,250 like you're seeing here on my dashboard. Won't you feel on top of the world? So if you say yes, then say no to procrastination. Go ahead and join the training now and start learning how you can start generating this kind of income on a daily, weekly, monthly basis. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I look forward to see you on the other side. I still remain.
My name is Precious. Over the past few years, I have been struggling to make money online without nothing to show for it. As a matter of fact, I have bought several courses online, but unfortunately, none of those courses was able to solve my problem of making money online until I joined Mr. Yaqub Abdulaziz CPA Secret Code Training Program. After going through the training step by step, I was able to set up my campaign within 24 hours for one of the offers recommended by Yaqub Abdulaziz. Then I sleep and woke up the next day and saw $320 commission on my account. This is incredible. I am very excited to have took the right decision by joining this training program. All thanks to Mr. Yaqub. He is very amicable and a professional mentor compared to others that I have met before. I recommend this training program to anybody who is currently looking for a way to make money online.
And I joined CPA Secret Code last week, and I've already made $500 by generating leads for one of my companies, recommended by Yaqub Abdulaziz. This is amazing. I recommend CPA Secret Code training program for anyone who is looking for a way to make money online.